Yah Squad! Yah Squad is in the house. Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Doc Valvely, and you're watching Open. It's a live interactive program that brings the Bronx and New York City straight to your TV set. Stay connected to us through social media, BronxNet TV. Leading things off on September the 14th, Mind Builders. If you've never been there, never checked them out, you're going to get an opportunity to check it out today. They have the Creative Arts Center, and they're going to hold an open house street festival. And joining us with all the details, we have dance director Melvada Hughes and music director Waldo Chavez. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you.
High five.
Hey.
Yah Squad. So I've been there before. You guys do some great works, but tell us about it.
Okay, so as I'd like to call the greatest place on earth,
Yes.
Mind Builders. We are an organization, we've been around for 40 years. I haven't been there for 40 years, but we've been around for 40 years.
I know, I got you.
And we started out, our executive director, Melvada Hughes, she started this out as a room in a community center near where we are now, near White Plains Road.
Yes, yes.
And now it's a state-of-the-art building. We have about 800 students in music, dance, martial arts, folk culture, and we have a theater company.
I remember the tour. You guys
Yes,
have everything going on.
everything.
African arts.
And
African arts, yes.
our building was renovated recently. Well, 5.5 years ago, we moved back into the building, and it's a beautiful building, state of the art, everything. And we're very happy. We want to showcase our organization and what our students can do on September 14th. We're having a big party. We've been doing it for the last 5 years. And I believe BLS has actually been part of it in a couple of years.
Yes,
And we are going to showcase so much of everything that we have and other, aspects of the community. I think Mel can tell us a little bit more about the actual.
Now I know. Mel for short, huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Mel. That's it. That's how everybody knows me, Miss Mel.
Miss Mel.
And as Waldo was saying, it's a block party. We cordon off the street. We have a big stage, and we just have a lot of fun. We have a children's village for the young people. There'll be the bouncy house, face painting, games. I believe the Explorers from the Police Athletic League will also be doing that with the young people, doing the chalk, hopscotch, and all those kinds of games. Our Mind Builder students, music and dance students, are performing. We have a special guest from the Last Poets, Abiodun. We
On the subway.
Yes.
There you go.
There we go. We're doing sample classes in music and dance for children and adults from 11 to 1. Actually, if you come at 10:45, the first 100 people get a free drink and a hot dog just for hanging out with us and taking some of our sample classes. From 1 to 3 is when we'll have our performances, and to highlight the day, we're having a talent contest. So this is an opportunity. We have about 13 acts, young people from all over parts of the Bronx. Ages, actually, I think we have someone as young as 5, oldest 21, and they will be showcasing their talent and their arts. We have singers, we have dancers, a little salsa group. It's really very nice, very cute, and
a lot of them learned right there. Mind
yes,
Builders, right?
a lot, and we have our young people will be performing as well. But this was one we opened up to the community. We really want to support young people in their art, whether they're with us now or in the future or in the past. We just really, Mind Builders is like an open forum. We want people to come, and we want to support them in whatever it is that they're doing, their art that we can help them with. So this is that opportunity, and so we're very excited about it. And of course, it's a registration drive for us as well. There are discounts for people who register on Saturday the 14th, but you can also go on the website and register there. We still have a few slots open. We want everybody to know that. So, it's really an opportunity for people to get to know Mind Builders and to just come out and have a good time.
Yeah.
And we'll have vendors also be selling some of their wares.
Good. So you said it's registration time.
Registration.
What are the qualifications? What do you have to do?
Just
Show up.
Just show up?
be alive.
Show up. So actually, what's great
Children
about
between the ages of what and what?
3.5 to seniors, all the way 90 if you can still
Do your thing.
do your thing. You're welcome. You can come. We So you just need to show up. We have lots of opportunities. Our classes, tuition is affordable, but we also have what we call work exchange. Parents can actually work
yeah.
3 to 4 hours a week for a class for their child.
Right there in Mind Builders.
At the
Mind
Mind
Builders.
Builders,
Yeah.
A
We
big
have-
part of our
So get a job and learn too.
Yep.
Yes.
A big part of our organization is the community. The parents, the students, they run the organization
circle of
as
love.
well as the
Yeah.
staff.
Giving back, yeah.
Yes.
yeah.
It's-
So
it's great.
who's performing?
Okay. So Abby O'Doon.
I'll be doing all you want.
Of
And
the
then
Last Poets.
all of there are several dance classes. We have a band in Mind Builders as well.
I saw
They'll
the
be playing.
dances when I came.
Yeah,
they, were-
I'm
they were
sure they did.
practicing back there. Yeah.
And we have a band that's going to be performing as well, and the talent show. I just like to mention about the talent show. We started this 3 years ago, sort of on spec. Let's see what will happen. And oh my God, the array of talent that is here in the Bronx, and I'm sure you've seen. But it's amazing. I there's a lot of times when I'm sitting there and I'm like, oh my God, scholarship.
Yeah.
Because some of the students that show up are just
Yeah.
exceptional, and a lot of times they're doing this on their own. You know, they rehearse maybe on the street in a community center. So we're very happy to be able to bring
And
them.
where
in.
do they go from there? I mean, you help them. There's a follow-through, a follow-up program.
Yes, many of, as Waldo was saying, many of the students who come and showcase their work, they end up being scholarship by Mind Builders or end up registering for some of our programs to get that training
Oh, that's
and to
great.
get that mentorship for those who might be a little bit, maybe they're serious, maybe they're looking at the arts as a possible career. So they need the training. And we're right there for those who are very interested and who want to do that. We're right there.
Turn that hobby into a money-making thing.
That's right. That's
Well,
right.
Volpe will
there
tell
are
you more
cash
about that
prizes.
when he
I don't know if
comes
we
on.
mentioned.
Oh,
that.
yes, there are cash prizes.
okay.
Starting
Yes.
at $100,
Uh-huh.
$75, $50, and $25. We have a prize for the best costume, best look. We
Uh-oh.
have a social media contest prize. And what was the other one? And for the most original act. So,
That's talented. That's a talented person too, who can do social media.
oh yes,
Yeah.
we are
I'm looking
finding
for a
out.
person like that.
We too. We are too. So
Well, come down. Maybe we'll find them.
Yeah,
over
there's a
there.
guy up in the control room that says he can do it, but I
we
haven't
can
seen anything
share.
yet.
We can share.
Okay, great. All right, this is September the 14th.
Yes, and
This
just
Saturday
want to
coming up.
say it is a rain or shine
Rain or shine,
event.
because you can dip right
We're
inside
going to
the
go
center.
in our building, and then we're also working on an alternate space. We get the forecast is saying it's going to be a little cloudy, but
Yeah,
do
that's
not
okay.
fear. We will be there.
There'll be tents. There'll be indoors, outdoors.
Yeah, we'll be
You can just
indoors,
go back and
outdoors, but
forth.
we'll still be making it happen.
All right,
That's my
September the
building.
14th. What's the address?
3415 Olinville Avenue, right between Gun Hill Road and Magenta, 2 blocks off of White Plains Road.
There you go. All right. Website?
www.mind-builders.org.
Give them a big round of applause. Y'all squad, let me hear you. Melvada Hughes, Dance Department Director. I love them. I love you guys too. Mind Builders, Waldo Chavez, Music Director, Department of Mind Builders. And we thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thanks
And
for your
keep
support.
doing we love your work. Keep doing what you're doing. And
Thank
our
you very
kids love
much.
you too.
Thank you.
I will take a quick break. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more next.